like to my video, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to on the notification. Hello friends, welcome you once again to my channel DV Craft. I am Disha and today we are going to make wall decor. So let's get started. So first we will take a piece of a paper and fold it in triangle. Now let's take a pencil and draw a petal. And cut it. So our flower is ready. Same way we have to make more of different color. Here I have taken pink, yellow and orange. Let's take canvas. On that I have drawn circle and a branch. So here I have drawn the tree branches. So let's take this. Here I have this flower. Let's cut it in 4 parts. Now let's fold it. And stick it in the flower shape. Like this way. Now let's stick this. So our flower is ready. Same way we have to cover the entire circle. So we have covered the entire canvas with flower. Now let's take these 2 birds. And the wall decor is ready. Friends, if you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment below. And do follow me on Instagram for more such videos. Thanks for watching.